What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, my name is Paris D or Paris Dominique. Either one is fine. I do thank you guys for coming back, or whoever, getting into this video. Or whoever comes to this video and watches it. I appreciate you. Thank you. God bless you. If you want this look, space bone look, hopefully you guys continue to watch this video. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Watch the video. Hey guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is grab my comb and part my hair down the middle, so I'll be able to make two pigtails. After I part my hair, I make these really funny looking ponytail just to hold them in place for a minute before I start to really get into my hair. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is grab a brush and water and spray the water on the brush, so I'll be able to puff out any naps or any clumps in my hair, so I'll be able to make a perfect or an alright ponytail. Now I'm gonna get my Eco Style gel and start spreading it on the front edges of my hair and also the back edges of my hair, in order to have, that slick ponytail look. Okay, now all I do is go over with a brush in order to smooth out any clumps that I have left of my hair. And then after I'm done with that, I use my ponytail or pigtail, however you call it, to place my ponytail on each side of my hair. Next thing I do is go over my pigtails with my edge brush. I go over with a little bit of Eco Style gel in order to keep that look of sleek pigtails. Okay, now on to the buns. All I do is kind of do a little twist into the pigtails that I have made, and I try to place a pin in order for it to stay in place. Not gonna be perfect, but it just has to match as similar to the other side of your hair. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is use my edge brush to spread some of my hair up, my edges of my hair down. So the final step, I'm gonna go over my edges with Murray's edge wax, so I can slick down my edges the way I want it to. and this is the final look. I want to thank you guys for coming to my channel and take out of your busy time or schedules to watch my videos. If you want any other hairstyle, just comment down below which ones that I should do. And if you like the video, put a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace and love. Bye.
If you love me, but you never let me go. And the roof was on fire, you never let me know.